Hello people, how are you doing today? I'm hoping you're all well. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Robi Masaga, for those who don't know me. If you're new here, you're most welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for all the support you're giving me. Now guys, today I want us to talk about a certain lady from Jamaica. She was talking about how most Kenyans are now they're doing Jamaican content, and she was wondering whether the intentions are genuine, or are we doing it for money after D Mwango visited Jamaica. Now I want you to watch the video first, then come back here. I'm going to give you reasons why we genuinely love Jamaica. Yeah.
You have another guy, Woodamara. I think Woodamara is from Woodamaya is from Ghana, and his wife, Miss Trudy, beautiful couple, and they came to Jamaica also. But this fever started with D Mwango. Dee loved Jamaica. She loved Jamaica like she has a fever because she come to Jamaica and she went to Jamaica. Sorry, I forgot I'm not in Jamaica, guys. Hey. So she went to Jamaica and she was embraced by the Jamaicans. They just loved her. Why? Because she's like her brother. She's friendly, she's nice, she's mannerable, she's mannersable. Yes, that's the word. So everybody embraced her. She put herself out there like, a real African girl who really want to connect with her culture. Anyway, what did I just say? It was not always like that. I'm a Jamaican girl. I was born, bred, grown up in Jamaica. And I remember in my community, because you have to understand, in Jamaica, they tell you what they think about you. Well, they love on you, but they love on you hard. If you're hating on you, they hate on you hard. All right. So back where I come from, we don't really call it village, but we call it the country or the districts. So where I come from in the district, nobody ever called me ugly or nothing. But you have to understand that in Jamaica, they call you the way you look. All right? You have your name, but they call you the way you look. So when I was in Jamaica and I'm walking down the road and on any normal day I see my friend, they would say, "Black girl Sharon." I used to wonder why you have to call me by my color. My name is Sharon, so Sharon we do. But that's not how we did it. If your head big, you hear big head Tom. You know you cause your head big. If you have a long chest down here, you hear big breast Marcia. Yes, that's how Jamaicans are. They're just, me don't know, they just tell you the way it is. And if they want to find you, say somebody come to your district that is not from your district and they want to find you. Then say, oh, this red girl, she red. And her eye them big. The eye them big. You know who them attack. You know say Judy. I have a cousin named Judy. She red and her eye them big. We know what Judy them talking. Anyway, let me get back to what I'm talking about. So, yeah, thus the Kenyans I noticed they're coming to Jamaica, or in Kenya, they're walking in the street asking people what they think about Jamaican people. And I am wondering, what is it really? Are they chinging these Mwango bank account, like looking at D Mwango's bank account and say, wait, D Mwango is making money when he goes to Jamaica. So, okay, I am going to say, I love Jamaica. I want to go to Jamaica and I'm going to embrace Jamaica. Guys, it's not always like that. I myself, we being in Jamaica, we were taught about slavery in school. But guys, when they were telling us about slavery, Christopher Columbus, the Spaniards, the English, they talk about them like they're our savior, like they come and rescued us from ourselves, teach us how to use knife and fork, teach us how to read and blah, blah, blah. So at my age, I knew about slavery, but I did not know that slavery was so wicked. I think when I was about 12 years old, I learned about the passage, the middle passage, how they pack the slaves and carry them to Jamaica. I don't want to be too long. So I also, when I get bigger, I also learned. And you see the Rasta culture in Jamaica, trust me, the Rasta culture, the Rasta men in Jamaica, the authentic Rasta men in Jamaica, they are the ones that teach me about my culture, about my black culture. So we were taught that, yeah, the white men came and they rescued us and they teach us this and they teach us that. No, as a matter of fact, guys from Africa, kids, Kenyans from Africa, really learn about how Jamaican people who are Africans get to Jamaica. And then you would be serious about this thing. You would want to come to Jamaica too because Dim want go bank book fat and you want to come and fill up your bank book too. I'm not really saying that you shouldn't come, but make sure when you come, like Woody Maya, like D Mwango, visit the places that will tell you the real culture, how we got in Jamaica. We love Jamaica, you know. We build Jamaica and we are proud. But it is not that cut and dry as a thing.
Well, there's a video I did some time back giving reasons why Africans love Jamaica. Yeah, most of you loved the video actually. If you haven't watched, kindly go watch it after you're done watching this. Yeah, I'm very sure you're going to love it also. Now, there are so many reasons why Kenyans love Jamaica. There are so many reasons why we are even doing Jamaican content. Majority of us are not doing Jamaican content because of money. Yeah, I'm sure at the end of the day, anything we upload on YouTube, it's at the end of the day, it's going to generate money at some point. Yeah, but if that was the intention, then I believe it's not a must for me to choose Jamaican content alone. I would choose something else. But with content, we always do something that we love, something that we are able to create. Yeah, I can't just pick any random topic if I'm not comfortable with that particular topic. The reason why we are even drawn to doing Jamaican content, it's because we believe that Jamaica is part of us. We want to learn more about Jamaica. We want to learn why Jamaica was separated from us. I do believe that all blacks originated from Africa. Yeah. There's a comment I got in one of my Jamaican content. There's a guy who was telling me that he's from Jamaica, but he told me, yes, I'm Jamaican, but Jamaicans are not from Africa. Jamaica are not Africans. But I want to correct the guy that whether we like it or not, Jamaica or black people, any other black people in the world, their origin is from Africa. At some point, their mothers, grandmothers, they were separated from Africa through slavery. Yeah, so let's not live in denial. Let's not deny the fact that blacks are from Africa. We do love our black brothers. We do love our black sisters. That is why we do much content about them. Growing up, we used to listen to a lot of Jamaican music, especially reggae. And some of us used to listen to this music in our matatus. Matatu is a public transport means. It's just like a bus, but now with artwork. Yeah, you find pictures all over the car, pictures of the likes of Vibes Cartel, Beanie Man, DeMarco, Sean Paul. That is how we got even to learn about these artists. Yeah, and we fell in love with Jamaican artists through music, and that is where we got to learn about Jamaica. And some of us started being interested from way back. Yeah, only that we were still young. We were not able to travel from Africa to Jamaica to Caribbean to at least visit Jamaica. Yeah, and some of us even right now, we are not financially able to travel from one continent to another. You know, with traveling, it takes a lot. Yeah, your energy, you have to be mentally prepared, financially prepared for you to travel from one continent to the other. Most Kenyans are doing Jamaican content because they want to connect with Jamaican brothers, Jamaican sisters. because at the moment we are not able to travel, come to you and connect to you directly. That is why we are doing all these videos. Yeah, for Dimwango, she was lucky enough to travel to Jamaica, at least to experience, yeah, to get to interact with a few of you guys, learn your culture. Yeah, those are things that most of us want. We wish that one day we can also travel to Jamaica and experience that. Yeah, like I said, yes, every content is all about at the end of the day to generate money, but we always do what we love. It's just like any other job. Yeah, if I was to open a business right now, I won't just open any business just because it's a business. No, I'll make sure that I open something that I love, something that I'm able to do. Yeah, Jamaica is part of us. Jamaica runs through us. Yeah, from since when we were young, we used to hear about Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. There are some parts in Kenya that have really embraced Jamaican movement. Yeah, Jamaican culture. Yeah, for example, the Rastafarian movement. I do believe that the movement is a worldwide thing, but we have parts in Kenya that really believe in Rastafarian. Yeah, people that have embraced Jamaican culture, yeah, since childhood. Some of them have never even visited Jamaica, but because they read from books, see, nowadays we have social media, we have TVs, they've embraced Jamaican culture. You would think that someone has at some point lived in Jamaica, but no. Yeah, some of us would even love to visit Jamaica, but due to financial constraint, some of us are not able. So Jamaicans, I want you to know that Kenyans do really appreciate you. We do love you. It's not something that we are doing because we want money in our pockets. No, we are doing it because we genuinely do care about you people. Yeah, I'm hoping that I'll still see you again in my next video. Yeah, and until then,